Hi, welcome back to Sham's Adventures. Up bright and early, still dark outside. It's 2:30. We're on our next adventure. We're off to the Gold Coast. We're staying at Surfers Paradise and going to do some of the theme parks there. Hope you like this adventure. Coming up to our stop at Big Banana, Coffs Harbour. Say hi! Hi. So we just stopped at Coffs Harbour, going to get some milkshakes. Get some photos with whatever this thing is, monkey.
Yeah, thanks.
Want to read the menu, you can pause it now, have a look. Okay, so we're just crossing the border into Queensland and on our way to where we are staying. Now we are in Queensland. So we've found our hotel and we're waiting for the lifts to go up. So we are in Tower 2, level what? 14. Yes. Okay, so we're on room number 2145. Going to open. Okay, so what do we have? A kitchen. Wow, great view. Nice little lounge room. Kids have got a great room. A nice view. Come up here, down the hall. Bathroom there. Main room. Another view and another bathroom. That's pretty cool. And what do we have over here? Ooh, walk-in closet. Extra mattresses if we needed them. Excellent. Now to unpack, I think. And some cupboard space here as well. It's a cupboard space. Oh, pram. The kitchen comes equipped with a lot of things. So you got all your cleaning stuff in here. So all that, dishwasher, microwave. And up here, what do we got? Oh, your wine glasses. Egg cups, nothing else. Teacup up there. What about here? Nothing. Some mugs. All your dinnerware. So pretty much everything you need is in here, which is really cool. Big fridge. Okay, so we're out on the balcony. See the pool. And an awesome view as well. So I've come down to the pool area here at the Chevron. It's quite nice up here. It's on level 6 and it's got the pool area, barbecue area. I'll show you around. Got lots of seating area around, some sand around the side as well. Bridge to get over to the other side. So we're up above the pool. Barbecues over there. You can actually see Surfers Paradise Beach from here as well. I think there's about 4 of these little barbecue stations around the pool. And lots of seating area as well. You can come down and have dinner down here if you wanted to, or lunch. That's the tower that we're in. So the Chevron has 3 towers. There's also an indoor pool here as well. So it's just a walkway towards it. Nice grass area. So that's the entrance to the pool. There's also a gym, but there's people working out in there, so we won't go in there. Let's go show you the pool. Spa down the end. And also see into the gym. So there's a coffee shop here on the main lobby. So I think this one might be Tower 2. And you've also got reception. And there's also an information area as well. So if you need to find somewhere to go, you go over to there. So these shops are straight directly underneath the Chevron. So when you come out, there's a Coles, newsagent, and a few other little shops. There's a chemist as well. Asian grocer. Ice cream. So this is all underneath the Chevron Towers. We've also got Infinity, which is all of this area here. And as you walk out, there's all different restaurants all around the Chevron Towers as well. There's a little bar here. So lots of choices to eat around here as well. It's only a short walk to Cavill Avenue. And you can get the tram pretty much just straight outside here as well. So if you walk down this way as well, there's some more restaurants. You can see the Slingshot just out the front there too. So this is the main street, Cavill Avenue, Surfers Paradise. So this street takes you down to the beach. It's full of restaurants and shops. Paradise Centre is a shopping centre, so there's lots of shops in there as well. So when filming this, it's a Friday night, so it gets a little bit busy through the weekends. So it's about 5:30 at present. So they do have the night markets on today, so they're normally on Wednesdays and Fridays. I'm not too sure about Saturdays, but I know it's definitely on the Wednesday and the Friday nights, and it goes all along the beach of Surfers Paradise. All the way down.
I went to a pub when I was travelling and they got a hole in the wall.
Oh, that is sick.
Yeah.
So it's got Scarface. It's got everything.
It looks like a statuette. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, subscribe and ring that bell, and stay tuned for more adventures on the Gold Coast.